Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to move your iPhone lock screen widgets to the bottom of the screen in iOS 26 or later. In iOS 26, customized mode allows you to drag the widgets down to the bottom of the screen so that they hover just above the two quick actions. It makes tapping a widget during one-handed use a lot easier. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to first long press anywhere on your iPhone lock screen, and then you have to hit the Customize button to proceed. And below the clock, drag the widget frame to the bottom of the screen. Then you have to make any other desired changes as required to the lock screen. And once you have perfectly customized the lock screen to your heart's liking, tap on the Done button located at the top right to finish, and that's about it. Shifting your lock screen widgets to the bottom not only makes them easier to read, but also gives your iPhone a cleaner and more organized look. With iOS 26, Apple has made customization more flexible than ever before, allowing you to design your lock screen the way you want. Now that you know how to move widgets, you can personalize your iPhone to be both stylish and practical every time you unlock it. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.